back to that calories in, calories out. So what I need to do is reduce all my food and exercise more, and then I'll lose weight.
More.
Well, actually, when we're exercising too much without resting, then we get an imbalanced testosterone levels and higher levels of cortisol, and these hormonal changes are associated with loss of muscle tissue, more weight gain, and excess belly fat. So when you're seeing clients coming in, asking them about their exercise regime, we do not want them exercising hard in the evening when they should be producing melatonin and not producing cortisol. I know my experience of going to CrossFit in the evening, because I wanted to do it with my sister. I piled on weight. I say piled on weight. I got a bit fatter. My arms didn't. I got proper.
That was the only time. It was the only time you ever had a muffin top.
And I was so incensed. I was like, I can't believe this. And then, you know, we specialize in hormones. I was like, what am I doing? I need to be exercising in the morning when it's daylight. When it gets to nighttime, we want to be resting, meditation, yoga, that kind of thing. So to spot the people who are working hard and then slogging it at the gym after work and not being able to lose weight, it is often because they're producing too much cortisol. Avoid high intensity evening classes. So here's a nice another little
way. A really pretty slide to explain what you just said.
We do love little roller coastery. We like triangles and we like roller coasters. So what you want to be doing here in this lovely little, the melatonin and cortisol dance, is at nighttime you want high melatonin, and in the daytime you want higher cortisol, and they have a relationship with each other. So if you are producing loads of cortisol when you should have melatonin, you'll have lower melatonin and you won't be able to sleep, causing more stress, causing more weight gain.